You guys, you're on the video. Jimmy, you ready to go fishing? Why not? Here comes Frankie. Here's the river. The river is so fast and a lot of water. We're in here in Bird Eye, Crystal Peak Park, under the bridge. Yes, the water's right there. You guys better catch some fish, man, for dinner. All right.